So I've had this idea. I know that other people have done this, but I have been wanting to do this for so long, and I have gotten the chance to do it because I haven't had a glue stick. So I basically took this from school. I'm borrowing it from a teacher, so thank you, Miss Francis. Today, we will be doing drag makeup. Christmas edition.
Merry Christmas, you filthy animal.
We're gonna just kind of wing this. So, we're just gonna get started. So I saw this girl glue her eyebrows down. This is actually the part that I'm most excited about. She just kind of went for it. She just went directly for that invisible brow look. I'm just gonna go for it. Oh my god, I'm so scared. This is so scary. Okay. Oh my god. Oh god. This is gonna be so satisfying when it's done. This is coming out great. I'm gonna go ahead and do my other eyebrow and I'll see you in a second. So I think I put like 3 or 4 layers of glue on here. I guess now we're supposed to set these. I have my e.l.f. This is very dirty. I don't even know what this is. I think this is e.l.f. too. Yeah, this usually is good at setting things, but it's not looking pretty on these brows. I don't see what this does. So, these are my eyebrows. So, now they look like that. Yeah. So now, we're gonna prime. I'm also gonna use e.l.f.'s Tone Adjusting Face Primer. It's the purple one. There! I usually just dot it in some areas and then do this little motion. Ew, she's so gross. And now, we are going to do foundation. Now, I have this foundation that is for like covering tattoos. So it's really good with coverage. So we're just gonna try to use that. And it's not my shade. I'm very pale, as you can see. But, it works if I blend it enough and use enough concealer. I'm gonna cover my eyebrows now. It's not really working. Oh, I probably have to put concealer on them after, that's why. I'm not gonna redo them if they suck. So, this is what you get. This could be a flop or a top. I don't know what that means. Okay. Now I'm using the Revlon Color Stay Concealer in the shade Fair. This isn't really working that well. How do people with like dark brown eyebrows do this? It's not working. I don't think a lot has changed. I also have a like a cream concealer, so maybe we could put that on because it's thicker. Taking the lightest color, which is right here, in this shiny, I'm gonna just put that up in here. Oh, it's working. It's working. That works like a lot. I'm surprised that we didn't try that before. Okay, so those are covered. Okay, so now it's time for like regular concealer. You can fix anything with concealer. Just conceal, don't feel, don't let it show, because then they'll know. And they won't let it go. So. Okay, so yeah, that's obviously a little lighter considering it's basically white. So yeah. Now, we have to set. So now we're setting, and we're looking so white. You probably are getting like blinded. But, so we're looking very ghostly right now, and we're feeling very dry because my eyebrows feel like they're just peeling off my forehead. So that's great. Okay, so we're set and ready, and we're ready to get on with the foundation. I guess that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna draw on some eyebrows. I'm gonna use this Revlon Color Stay pencil, but I'm not gonna like use it the whole time. I'm just gonna outline it and then I'm gonna go back with Sourcils Gel. What is this brand? Sourcils, that right there. Maybe I'm gonna bring it in more. Like, yeah. Oh, this is so great. I'm having so much fun. I'm just gonna take this brush and I'm gonna go over this masterpiece. This one's definitely not the same. Oh, Lord. Oh, what am I doing with my life? Okay, we're just gonna try to do this. I don't even know if it looks good. Doesn't look good. Not looking good. I'm watching Twin Peaks, and I just want you to like listen what they're saying. Just.
James, guess what? I'm so happy today.
Because your skin is so soft and you smell so good?
No,
Why?
because I really believe that you love me.
Oh my god, my neighbor just got home, and my window is right next to like his driveway, and I just made direct eye contact with him. I really want my dad to walk in and just be like, "What the hell are you doing? It's a new me, Dad. I'm a queen. Bow down." Okay. Fixing my eyebrows. Okay, so eyeshadow time. We have this big old palette. This big ass palette. Okay, so my camera died. I decided to do my other eye, and I added some eyeliner, but I haven't added the eyelashes yet, so stay here. Don't leave yet. Don't leave. Okay, you ready? So this is the look so far. Okay, it looks like really bad, but I don't know how to fix it. So like this is I look like a sumo wrestler. Like a sumo wrestler's mask. That's what my face looks like. I can't even like raise my eyebrows. Okay. It's time for eyelashes. That's the word. These are the bad boys. Okay, so we have two pairs of these ones. I got these off of either Wish or Shot Miss Egg. So I'm gonna take my Duo brush on adhesive with vitamins. Look at them. Wow. We are going to line it a little bit. You can't see. I'm not even gonna try. That's not gonna work. This should be a tutorial for how to look like a sumo wrestler. I literally look like a Mexican sumo wrestler. Like, oh my god, I look like the Mexican flag. Okay, now we're gonna do the bottom one. Oh yeah, this looks just really great. I look absolutely amazing. Why did I think that was a good idea? Huh? You tell me. Okay. Oh. Maybe that's why. It was just backwards, I think. I look so cute. Oh my god, this actually made it look really good. Now, we have to get some blush on my face. Caroline just texted me and she's like, oh, Caroline just texted me and she's like, oh my god, Caroline, shut up. She just texted me and she's like, I just binge watched all your videos. They're all so good. Love her. She's so supportive. Yeah, I'm just gonna contour. So. I never get to do contour because my face is so fair that's like whenever I use contour, it's like so over dramatic. So good. Who is she? So I had this highlight. Oh, we still have to do lipstick. That would have been bad. I honestly would have totally forgot to do lipstick. My highlight. I almost think we should like overline. Oh, this is perfect. Oh my god, that's so funny. Oh, I'm so satisfied with this. I literally look like such, like... That's so funny. Oh my god, this is so funny. First, we'll FaceTime Caroline.
Oh my.
Hey, darling.
Wait, I actually wasn't expecting to laugh this much. Oh my god, you look so stupid.
Hey, don't hurt my feelings. I'm a queen.
Did you glue your brows up?
Yeah?
Oh my god, come look at me, Kenzie.
No, don't show. No.
Drag queen. Oh.
Because I am a drag queen. What are you talking about?
Do you have big lashes on? I think the lashes need to be bigger.
These are the biggest lashes I have.
Oh yeah. wait. I'm gonna text you the side face.
Okay, good. Then I'll add it to the video.
This is so funny.
Hey, Dad. Come here. Come here. Quickly, come here. I have a surprise for you.
You're right. What's all up with that?
I'm a queen.
I know. You're like a drag queen.
I am a drag queen. Christmas edition. Come here.
My daughter's a weirdo.
Mom doesn't know.
She doesn't?
No, she's downstairs.
What's up with that getup? Are you going someplace? You
Yeah.
just did it.
No,
Are you-
I'm going to a drag show.
No, you're not.
Yeah, I am.
Are you?
No.
No.
Am I batting my lashes at you?
Uh-huh.
Do you like my eyebrows?
Giant eyeballs.
Do you like my eyebrows?
Oh, yeah.
These aren't my eyebrows.
I know that now.
Oh my god. Reference here, by the way.
Oh my. Oh no.
A drag makeup tutorial, and she's FaceTiming me the final product. Mackenzie, I want to see.
Come here.
You look great.
Thank you.
Honestly, you've never looked better.
Thank you. Caroline said I look stupid.
What's your drag name?
Oh my god, I don't even know. Ginger Snap. Mm. Who else am I friends with? Oh, I'll FaceTime Jake. Oh my god, I need him to pick up so bad. Jake.
Why?
Merry Christmas. This is my Christmas makeup. I'm gonna wear it to Christmas.
Are you gonna wear it to school?
No. yeah, I will.
Dude, you have to do that one day. Wear that shit to school. Oh my god.
This is, you're a mood. We're both moods here. You're shoving ice cream in your face and I'm in drag.
That's my chocolate.
Oh my god, even more of a mood. Thanks for, supporting my decisions.
No problem. I'll always support you.
Thank you. I love you. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, I'll see you Monday.
Bye.
Bye. Now we're gonna show my mother.
Introducing Ginger Snap.
Oh my god. What are you doing? What is this? Let me see. What is that? Why did you do that? What are you thinking? Did you get this from online?
No, I did it.
Who's the... You're quite a sight yourself there, Susan.
What? Covered in lip?
Ginger Snap is very proud of herself. Thank you very much. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for supporting my bad decisions. I guess I'll see you guys later. Ginger Snap, out.